The crescent moon shines in the sky, spreading joy as it floats by. We wake up early, dressed so bright, to pray together in morning light. Sweet smells drift from every plate, Mom's cooking is worth the wait. Biryani, kebabs, and treats galore. Shir kurma, yes, we want more. Baby's here, oh what a treat. New clothes, revelations on our feet. Smiles and hugs from far and near. It's the happiest time of the year. Baby comes with a cheerful grin, little red envelopes tucked within. Uncles, aunts, they all appear with candy, gifts, and lots of cheer. We laugh and play the whole day through, with cousins, friends, and fun things to do. From morning hugs to evening rides, the holidays are joy worldwide. So here's to love,